In manufacturing, machines don't slow production down. Material movement does. Every minute spent waiting on parts, moving carts, or pausing a machine to transport work is lost revenue. TramR is built to eliminate that. The name TramR comes from trammers, the workers who once hauled heavy loads out of coal mines. They weren't complex, they were essential. That philosophy drives everything we build. No unnecessary complexity, no over-engineered systems, just reliable, affordable robots that move material exactly when and where it's needed.
Small to mid-sized manufacturers are stuck in a gap. Most automation solutions are too expensive, too complex, or built for massive facilities. So skilled operators end up doing low-value work, machines sit idle, work in progress piles up, throughput slows down, and labor strain increases the risk of injury. TramR builds autonomous material-moving robots designed specifically for the real factory floor. Our robots attach to your existing carts, move loads across your facility with ease. No need to redesign your workflow. No need for massive infrastructure changes. Installation is fast, setup is simple, and the system is built to scale as you grow.
Summon the robots, assign a destination. The job gets done. TramR robots use a simple location system and mapped routes that can be created and edited in minutes. They safely navigate your facility, tow heavy loads, and integrate directly into your existing processes. Maintenance is straightforward and designed for in-house teams with easy diagnostics and upgrade paths for both software and hardware. This is automation that works with you, not around you.
The results are immediate. Operators stay focused on high-value work, production keeps moving without interruption, material arrives exactly when it's needed, you see measurable productivity gains, safer workflows, and a payback period that is under 6 months. This is not experimental automation. It is practical ROI from day one.
TramR is part of the Robotics Factory Accelerate cohort. Surrounded by leading robotics companies, TramR is refining a solution built for real-world deployment, not just theory. It's a proving ground for the next generation of applied automation.
We believe automation should be accessible, not just for the largest manufacturers, but for every factory that wants to move faster, safer, and more efficiently. TramR is bringing robotics to the teams that need it most. If your operation is still relying on people to move material, you're leaving efficiency on the table. TramR changes that. Simple, reliable, built for the floor. This is material movement finally done right. TramR.